Oh no! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be lots of fun. I'm going to be doing a soda taste test challenge. So if you guys want to see what this is all about, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so I didn't set this up. This was set up for me in this makeshift box looking thing, and I seen this challenge go around a couple of times, so it looks fun. I seen someone actually do it with beer, but we're doing soda. Okay, we're doing soda. I'm not much of a soda drinker. I don't actually drink soda at all, except for like if there's like some sort of birthday celebration or something like that. I'm not gonna be blindfolded. I'm just not like the viewfinder, like the part where the soda is like covered, and I can only see like my head in the viewfinder right now. I'm gonna write down my guess for each soda in my notes app. I'm gonna probably start from left to right, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna look and see if I'm good at this or not. I think I'm pretty good at determining, like I've tasted a bunch of soda. I used to drink soda like before, but I stopped like years ago, and I do drink soda from time to time. This is kind of part of the new series of like the taste test, like what I did with the Takis, except for this is a challenge kind of thing. So if you guys would like to see more challenges like this, and if you guys have more challenge suggestions for me, then let me know in the comments down below. But for now, we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm gonna start with the first one, and we're going from left to right. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm not gonna look because I'm scared to see it. I already know what that is. Wait. My guess, first of all, like I inhaled the soda before I even got the real sip, and my guess is that this is orange soda. Either Fanta or Sunkist. Sunkist is bomb, but I don't think this is Sunkist. I think this is Fanta. Hold on, let me write I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? Okay, wait, let me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 different types of soda. Okay. Oh. That's Malta. That's a Malta. Oh, that threw me off. I love Malta. And that's the Goya one too, I know. I grew up on that. Can't fool me.
Wait till you see the... No.
I used to drink this all the time. Like, my grandma always had a Malta for me as like a treat in the fridge. Like, oh my god, I got a Malta, yay! And if you guys never tried Malta with vanilla ice cream, you have to try it. It's so good. But that's definitely Malta. All right, number 3. Oh, I don't like that. That is root beer, right? That's root beer, isn't it? Is it root beer? Tastes like it has that. Dang it. Oh, it's disgusting. Oh, that's disgusting. That is just nasty. I hate root beer. I do like root beer floats though. I think you guys, if I got these 3 right, comment down below like something, because I think I got them right so far. All right. This is some fruity soda, but I have no idea. What is that? Dang, I was on a roll. Oh. What the heck is that? It reminds me of the tropical fantasy sodas. So my guess is that's gonna be a tropical fantasy. And it tastes like it could be a blue soda. I don't know. But if I get the color right, then that's half a point or something. I'm getting cold because these are cold. I got a long way to go still. All right, here we go. Oh, I know this. This is grape soda. That's definitely grape soda. And to be specific, I think that's the Welch's grape soda or Fanta, because Fanta has like the same kind of flavor. But I think this will choose. Okay. That's Coke. That's definitely some Coca-Cola. I hope I'm right about that. Because that's, if anything, the two sodas that I'm most familiar with is Coca-Cola and Pepsi, and then Sprite. So that's 3, but that's Coca-Cola. I'm nervous. I don't know. Okay, I have 4 more sodas to try. How am I doing so far? Am I doing good? Pepsi. That's my favorite soda. Pepsi. What is your favorite soda, you guys? If you drink soda, what is your favorite soda? Whenever I crave soda, it's between Coke and Pepsi. I like both of them. I'm not either or. Why do I keep spitting? I'm not either or, but if I had to choose, I would probably choose Pepsi. All right, 3 more to go. You know what's bad? That I'm drinking all of this soda and I haven't even had breakfast yet. And it's like 5 p.m. All right, let's go. Ooh, that's Sprite. That is definitely Sprite. The show. I'm right, aren't I? Next. That tastes like Sprite, but with lemon or lime. I don't like that. That's nasty. Isn't that like Mountain Dew or something? It's Mountain Dew, right? I'm not familiar with Mountain Dew. It's, you know how there's Sprite and then there's like those 2 other sodas that's basically the same thing. I'm gonna just guess Mountain Dew. Honestly, I'm not even mad if I get certain like that wrong because I'm not familiar with it. If I get the ones that I've been drinking like since I was younger, like I'm familiar with, and I get those wrong, then that's a little bit like, damn, that sucks. But we're down to our last soda. I'm freezing. These are freezing. These are cold. I'm just like, last soda. You guys ready? I'm ready. No, I'm not ready to see what I got wrong, but let's see. I think that's ginger ale. It has to be ginger ale. Ginger ale. All right, so I am done, and these are my guesses, okay? This is orange soda. The brand might be Fanta or Sunkist. This is a Malta, and the brand is Goya, because I know there's a difference in the Maltas. This one is root beer. This one is a tropical fantasy, I think. It tastes like a blue soda. This one is grape soda, and I think is Welch's or a Fanta. This one is Coca-Cola. This one is Pepsi. This one is Sprite. This is Mountain Dew, I think. And then this one is ginger ale. There's only 2 of them that I'm completely unsure about, and that is a Tropical Fantasy, the one that I think is Tropical Fantasy, like the one that's blue soda, which is this one and this one. These are the only 2 I'm completely unsure about. Everything else I better have right, so I should at least get an 8 out of 10. I'm about to reveal it to myself. Oh my god, it's not Goya! Wow. Hold on. I'm a little, okay, whatever. I'm so mad about that. Okay. Root beer. Okay, so orange soda, I got that right. Malta, I got it right, although I didn't get the brand right. Root beer, I got that right. A Canada Dry. I would have never guessed this. Okay, so this one's wrong. This is right. I forgot Crush. I forgot about Crush soda. Right. Oh no! You guys, I suck. I just mixed these 3 up so bad. Like, I have Sprite, Mountain Dew, and ginger ale. And it's ginger ale, Sprite, and Mountain Dew. It's because this is a lemon lime Sprite. That's why. If it was regular Sprite, damn. Okay, so I feel like doing this over. Like, no.
No.
That lemon lime Sprite tastes disgusting. Dang, hold on. Dang, that does taste like ginger ale. And that does too. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 out of 10. I failed miserably. I don't even know what to say, but it proves I'm not a soda drinker. But like, I'm really disappointed. I should have known this was ginger ale because I do drink ginger ale every now and then, but ginger ale and Sprite taste very similar to me. And I think those are the, no. It's because that's a lemon lime Sprite. If it was a regular Sprite, I would have probably still gotten it wrong because I already guessed Sprite, but dang, oh my god. Alright, well, that's the end of that. It'd be cool for you guys to try this at home with your families. It's like the perfect little pandemic game. Just switch out the straws, you know, and just like have fun. But this was fun to do, actually. I want to do more of these. I'm thinking about doing one with wine, but I don't know if I'm up there yet. I'm a wine drinker, but I'm not quite sure if I can like guess all of them like that. I'm a little bit disappointed. I don't like failing at stuff, so I think this is gonna haunt me, and now I might want to drink soda all the time. I'm just kidding. I hope this was enjoyable for you guys. Meanwhile, you guys see what I have ahead of me, and I'm over here guessing wrong, and you're probably like, no. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys want more challenges like this, then let me know in the comments down below, and also suggest any challenges that you may have down below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!